Welcome to your free lead system. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works and how you can use the free lead system to start generating leads and exposure to whatever business that you're trying to promote. Now, this system is extremely powerful, so pay very close attention because when you see how this works, you're going to get very, very excited. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, well, how did I get this free system? Well, all you did was you opted into one of our free lead system lead capture pages, which I'm going to show you in just a second. That's it. That's all you have to do. So when you advertise your link, which is right here, again, this is the link inside this system. You're going to have your own link underneath the video that you're watching. All you have to do is advertise your link, and we show you where and how to advertise your link. So your link is personal to you. Everything tracks to you. You've got your lead capture page. You've got an autoresponder campaign, and that autoresponder campaign will help you promote whatever website that you type in right here. So let's say your network marketing company has a specific page with a video on it with like a get started button. Well, that's the URL that you're going to want to paste in right here because we're going to help you promote that website in a very big way. So first of all, let me show you the lead capture page. So again, your referral link is right here below the video that you're watching. All you're going to do is you're just going to copy this and you're going to advertise it. It's as simple as that, and we're going to show you how to do it. Now, this is the lead capture page that you're going to get with your free lead system. I mean, that's a great looking lead capture page, and it converts extremely well. So right away, you're attracting the right kind of prospect, someone who's interested in building their list, someone who's interested in getting leads. And you'll notice the subject line says, I want to give you my list building website absolutely free. So what happens when one of your prospects enters their name and email inside your lead capture page? Well, the first thing that happens is their information goes directly into your back office right here in this section called leads. If you click on leads, this is going to be where all your leads are going to be housed. All the opt-ins, all the people that have opted in are going to be right here inside your contact manager. Another thing that's going to happen when they opt in, it's going to initiate an autoresponder campaign. Now, all the links, they all link to you. Everything works already. Imagine this. This is all free. This is all to help you build your business. Now, look what happens. This presents you as an expert in the industry. This is one of the emails that goes out automatically when one of your prospects enters their info on your lead capture page. It gives them some great information on how to find people to join their business. Now notice down here where it says to see what I drive, visit here. Now visit here is a clickable link that links to the very website that you enter right here. See, that's the powerful thing. This is going to help create exposure over and over and over again to whatever website that you want to promote. Not only that, look at this right here. It says click here to see your sponsor's recommended income stream. So not only are they seeing your website, the one that you choose, the one that you want to promote, all throughout the autoresponder campaign, they're going to have a click here link every single time they log in to see the exact same website. So they're reminded of it constantly. They see it constantly. There's constant exposure. But it gets even better, and I'm going to explain that. You see, the way the free lead system works is every other lead that you generate rolls up to your sponsor. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, wait a minute, I don't want to lose every other lead. Well, I'm going to show you a way how to not lose any of your leads. But actually, this is where it gets so powerful. Because I want you to imagine this. Let's say that you give away 10 free systems. In other words, 10 people opt in to your free lead system lead capture page. 5 of those are going to go directly into your contact manager right here. Okay, all 5 of them are getting that big, long autoresponder campaign that I showed you that helps promote your link. Now, what happens when those 5 go out there and generate 10 leads each? Now remember, you're getting every other lead. So when those 5 leads inside your contact manager go out and generate 10 leads each, that's 50 leads. But you're getting half of those. That means you're going to have 25 free leads that are ending up inside your contact manager that are all getting your autoresponder campaign. Folks, this is so powerful. If you can just imagine, this process never stops. For example, when those 25 go out and get 10 leads each, that's 250 leads. Now you've got 125 brand new leads inside your contact manager, all getting your autoresponder campaign. There is nothing more powerful than exponential growth of free leads entering in your contact manager. And it all starts by you giving away just one free system. Now let's talk for a second how you can start making a $6 commission on every single lead that you generate. And not only on the leads that you generate, but on the leads that other people generate as well, the ones that you've given the free lead system to. Now this gets really, really exciting. If you click right here, and it's called How to Make $6 Commissions by Upgrading, Lead Lightning is an upgraded version of our free system. And what it does, it allows you to create buyer leads. So now, instead of just leads inside your contact manager, you're going to have a list of all your buyers. They're going to have their phone numbers. Imagine what you can do with a list of buyers, how much more powerful that is. All you have to do is upgrade. It's just $7 one time, and if you upgrade, not only are you going to keep every single one of your leads, but now you're going to make a $6 commission for every single person who upgrades. Now let me show you how powerful this can be. Okay, this is not going to be the most beautiful demonstration in the world, but this is only for illustration purposes only. Suppose this is you right here, and you made the wise decision that you're going to upgrade. And you started out and you gave a free system to this person here. This person turned around, gave away a free system to this person, and this person here did the exact same thing and gave away a free system. And all of a sudden this person here decides, you know what, I don't want to lose any leads. I want to start making $6 commissions for all of my prospects, so I'm going to upgrade. Well, guess what happens? Since this person is not upgraded, and since this person is not upgraded, that $6 commission is going to roll upline, and it's going to pay that $6 commission directly to you because you made the smart decision to upgrade. Now look at this. This could be unlimited depths. You could have dozens, even hundreds of people that are giving away free systems. They're giving away systems, and all of those $6 commissions are rolling upline looking for who to pay that commission to. So it only makes sense that you're going to want to upgrade because you don't want to miss those commissions that should be going to you. Now keep in mind, every single person that you give a free lead system to, obviously they're going to be watching this video. They're going to be offered the opportunity to upgrade as well. So it only makes sense. It's only $7 one time. It's going to allow you to create buyer leads. You have more flexibility. It's a much better system. But look, you don't have to upgrade. Upgrading is completely optional. If you decide you just want to use the free lead system as it is for free for the rest of your life, that's absolutely fine. But if you want to make a great decision and upgrade for only $7, that's going to give you the opportunity to make $6 commissions from unlimited depths. Our software tracks all of this. You're going to have your own e-wallet account. We pay these commissions every Wednesday, and it's extremely exciting. So let me recap the steps here. Step 1 is what you're doing right now. You're watching the video, you're learning about the free system and the importance of upgrading. Step 2 is to enter your website below. So this is where you're going to enter your website right here. This is the website that your system is going to advertise for you. People are going to see it every time they log in, and it's going to be injected all throughout your autoresponder campaign. Now once you enter that website here, you can just click right here to test it to make sure you entered it correctly. And below that, this is your referral link. This is the link that you're going to advertise. And I want to point out one more thing. If you scroll down on the very page that you're on right now, it's very important that you take the time to watch this video right here. How do I market my link? This is going to teach you some amazing ways to market your link. So be sure you scroll down and you watch that video. Here's another video here on a tour of your system. I'm going to give you a complete tour of your system. And then obviously in the middle here is frequently asked questions. That's it for now. And once again, welcome to your free lead system.